Hello, I'm Dr. Amir. Welcome to today's health session. Today we will discuss the condition called cough. Before we start our session, it is requested to kindly subscribe to the channel and share with your loved one and the community for health awareness.
Dr. Amir, what is the cough?
A cough is a sudden, forceful exhalation of air from the lungs that helps clear the airways of irritants, mucus, or foreign particles. It is a reflex action triggered by irritation in the throat or respiratory tract. Coughing can be caused by infections, allergies, smoking, or underlying medical conditions.